Academics impacted my decision because of the accounting program is very well known in this area of Waterville. All the firms hire from Thomas College, so that was a big reason that I chose Thomas College. When I was looking at other colleges, Thomas College stood out because when I visited, it was the only one that actually felt like it wanted me. When I went, like everyone that interviewed me and brought me around campus, they didn't really care, but the people here, they genuinely cared. Like we walked into Commons and people said, "What's up?" They played games with me and it was just a good atmosphere. I would say my college experience has helped me grow because of just how professors hold you accountable to what the standard is. It's helped me grow and to know what that standard is and to hold myself accountable to it. And just as a person, people help you grow in the best ways here. And I'm interning with One River CPAs. This summer I will be doing the auditing program, so I'll go around the state. I'll be auditing different companies with some of the staff there and just learning from them. After college I plan to work in a CPA firm, going for my CPA certification and hopefully being a boss one day of a CPA firm.